Morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Today, what subject we are going to learn? Today, we are going to learn science. What's the spelling for science? S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. Okay. Last week, we have completed one lesson, no? Do you all remember the lesson? Yes, the first lesson we have completed last week. No? What's the name of the lesson? Parts of the body. Parts of the body. Now we are going to have a recall. Okay? Now we are going to have a recall of the lesson. Afterwards, we pass on to the new lesson. Now, look at here. What are the parts we learned? H-A-I or hair. E-Y-E-I. N-O-S-E, nose. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. N-E-C-K, neck. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. C-H-E-S-T, chest. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. K-N-E-E, knee. L-E-G, leg. F-O-O-T, foot. Then we learned E-A-R, ear. H-A-N-D, hand. A-R-N, arm. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. H-I-P, hip. Next, what did we learn? Yes, good. Next, we learned these parts. From here to the neck, how we got to say? Head. Very good. H-E-A-D, head. And this is the forehead. F-O-R-E, forehead. H-E-A-D, head, forehead. And then what is this? Cheeks. Very good. Chubby cheeks. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. And this is lips. L-I-P-S, lips. And then C-H-I-N, chin. This is a chin. This is a cheek. Okay? Now you understand? From the forehead to till the chin, how we have to say? Good. Face. F-A-C-E, face. We learnt it too? Yes. Then we learned the names of the fingers. Then we learned the names of the fingers. What's the first one? The big finger? Thumb. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. And then F-O-R-E, four. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Four, finger. Then M-I-D-D-L-E, middle. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Middle finger. Then R-I-N-G, ring. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Ring, finger. And the last one is little one. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Little finger. This is the small finger in our hand, no? Yes. And then all these fingers come and join in our palm. P-A-L-M, palm. And look at the next one. Then we learn about the parts in the foot. And this one, how we got to say? Yes, how we got to say? In hands we got to say as fingers, and in the legs we got to say as toes. T-O-E-S, toes. And from here, toes to till this part, we got to say it as sole. S-O-L-E, sole. And at the back we have to say heel. H-E-E-L, heel. We learnt it nicely, no? You all know the lesson nicely, no? Yes. Today, shall we pass on to the new lesson? Yes. What's the name of the lesson 2? Shall we see? H-O-W, how. W-E-V-K-N-O-W, no. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. How we know things. How we know things? Many things are around us, no. Trees around us, car is around us, cow is there. And then dog we can see, cat we can see. Many things are around us. How can we know these things? Shall we see? We know these things. How can we know? By the shape. By the shape. What's the spelling for shape? S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. And then S-I-Z-E-S, sizes. And then C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. And then T-A-S-T-E, taste. S-M-E-L-L, smell. S-O-U-N-D, sound. F-E-E-L, feel. We know things around us by these. What are the way? What are the way we can know? Yes. Shapes, size, colors, taste, smell, sound and feel. First we are going to know about shapes. Shapes. Look at here. What is this? Ball. What's the shape of a ball? A ball is round. A ball is round. And look at the next picture. What is this? You all love to eat this, no? Yes. What's it? Egg. Very good. What shape is it? An egg is oval. An egg is oval. You can find the things by the shape itself, no? Yes. When I show you the ball and the egg, you can find it easily. How you find it easily? By the shape itself, you can find it. Ball is round and egg is oval. And look at the next one. Sizes. By the sizes itself, we can find out. Look at here. What is this? Ball. And then this one is marble. What is it? Marble. Ball is bigger. A ball is bigger. When compared to a marble, a ball is bigger. By the size itself, you can find out this is a ball and this is a marble. And then next we are going to find out the things by using colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. Look at this. What is it? Sunflower. Very good. Very good. And what picture is this? Lady's finger. Sunflower. What color is the sunflower? Yellow. Very good. Sunflowers are yellow. And the lady's fingers. Lady's fingers are green. Good. Lady's fingers are green. Sunflowers are yellow and lady's fingers are green. By the color itself, we can find out these things. You understand this? By the color. Okay. Next, we are going to find the things by using the taste. We also note the things by the way we taste. Now, look at here. You all love to eat this now. What is it? Potato chips. Very good. How do you feel when you eat this? It is salty. Good. Sometimes it is salty. Sometimes it's hot also, no? Yes. And then what is this? This one also you love to eat it. Yes. Ice cream. Very good. What taste is it? Sweet. Ice cream is sweet. Potato chips are salty. Ice cream is sweet. By the taste itself, you can find out. Do you eat bitter gourd? What taste is it? Bitter. Good. Very good. Just like that, by the taste itself, we can see. And then look at the next one. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. What is this, children? Rose. Very good. Rose. What smell is it? It smells sweet. We see the fragrance. From the fragrance itself, from this rose flower, they can prepare a scent. They can prepare scent. And then a rose smells sweet. It's a pleasant smell. Okay. And then look at the next one. What is this? Yes, your mother use it for cooking, no? Yes, very good. Not onion. What is that? Garlic. What is that? Garlic. Garlic smells strong. Garlic smells strong. A rose smells sweet. A garlic smells strong. Garlic smells strong. And look at the next one. By the sound itself, we can find out. By the sound also. What is the sound? Look at here. What is this? Dog. Very good. It guards our house, no? Yes. We use it as a pet animal, no? Yes. What's the sound of the dog? A dog barks. A dog barks. B-A-R-K-S, barks. A dog barks. And look at it. What is it? Cat. Very good. A cat mews. A cat mews. Good. By the sound itself, you can find out by the sound of the dog and by the sound of the animal. And if you are sitting in a room and you are closing eyes and you can hear the sound outside, no? Some jeep is going, some car is going. By the way they give the sound itself, we can find out what vehicle is going on outside. We can find it out, no? Yes. By the sound itself also, we can find out the things. And then next we are going to see the next one. F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. By touching the things, we can find out. Okay. Now look at here. What picture is that? Cotton. Very good. How, when you touch a cotton, how you feel, children? You feel soft. It is very soft. And when you touch the bark of a tree, wood, how you feel? You feel hard. It is hard, no? When you touch the cotton, you feel soft. And when you touch the wood, you feel hard. Okay? Now you understand? Yes. Now, apart from that, we can know things by touching the rough one and the smooth one. What is this? Your mommy use it to clean the vessels, no? Yes. When we touch this, how you feel? Rough. How you feel? Rough. R-O-U-G-H. Rough. But when you touch the tomato, how you feel? Smooth. Very good. S-M-O-O-T-H. Smooth. Very good. And look at the next one. What is this? Tea. Very good. And what is this? Juice. When you touch this tea cup, how you feel? How you feel? Hot. It is hot. And then when you touch this juice tumbler, how you feel? Yes, cold. It is cold. Hot. H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D, cold. And look at the next one. See how the pencil is? How the pencil is? It is blunt. B-L-U-N-T, blunt. And here how the pencil is? Sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. When you keep the finger here, you can find out easily if your pencil is blunt or sharp. Now you understand this, children? Yes. Shall we have one recap of this lesson too? What's the name of the lesson? How we know things. How we know things. We know things by the way they look. Things are different in shape, size and colors. Things are different in shape, size and colors. We know things by its shapes, sizes, colors, taste, smell, sound and feel. How we know things? How we know things? Shall we say once again? Shapes, sizes, colors, taste, smell, sound and feel. By shapes, what we learned? Yeah, B-A-L-L, ball. I-S-S, R-O-U-N-D, round. A ball is round. And then next we learn an egg. A-N, E-G-G, egg. I-S-S, O-V-A-L, oval. An egg is oval. By the shape itself, we can find out. This is an egg. This is a ball. And look at the next one. Sizes. S-I-Z-E-S. Sizes. And what is this? Ball. Yeah. B-A-L-L, ball. I-S-S, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. A ball is bigger. And a marble is smaller. Yeah. M-A-R-B-L-E, marble. I-S-S, S-M-A-L-L, small. A marble is small. A ball is bigger. And marble is small. By the way itself, we can, by the size itself, we can find out. Okay. And look at the next one. C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. And sunflowers. Sunflowers are yellow. sunflowers, sunflowers, areyrelloww, yellow. Sunflowers are yellow. And then lady's finger, LADYS, ladies fingers, 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 ARERGREEN, green. Ladies fingers are green. And the next one, taste, TASTE, taste. Potato, 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 CHIPS, chips, ARERSALTY, salty. Potato chips are salty. And then ICEI, CREAM, cream, ISS, SWEET, sweet. Ice cream is sweet. Potato chips are salty and ice cream is sweet. By the taste itself, we can find out things. And look at the next one. SMELL, smell. Yeah, ROSE, rose. SMELL, smells. SWEET, sweet. A rose smells sweet. And then GARLIC, garlic. SMELL, smells. STRONG, strong. Garlic smells strong. By the smell itself, we can find out what thing is it. And then SOUND, sound. SOUND, sound. Yeah, DOG, dog. BARKS, barks. A dog barks. How the dog gives sounds? Barking sound. Okay. And then yeah, CAT, cat. MEWS, news. A cat mews. This is the sound of a cat. Mew sound. Okay. And then by the sound itself, we can find out what thing is it. Okay. Next, we are going to see about feel. FEL, feel. Now, when you touch the cotton, you feel soft. COTTON, cotton. FEELS, feels. SOFT, soft. Cotton feels soft. When we touch the cotton, we feel soft. And look at the next one. WOOD, wood. FEELS, feels. HARD, hard. Wood feels hard. Good. And look at the next one. When you touch this scrubber, your mommy used this in the kitchen, no? How you feel? ROUGH, rough. ROUGH, rough. And then when you touch the tomato, how you feel? Smooth. SMOOTH, smooth. And then when you touch this hot cup of tea, how you feel? Cup of tea, how you feel? Hot. HOT, hot. When you touch this juice tumbler, how you feel? Cold. COLD, cold. And then when you touch the pencil like this, it is blunt. It is blunt. BLUNT, blunt. And how the pencil is now? Sharp. SHARP, sharp. When you keep your finger here, you can easily find out, no? The pencil is sharp or blunt? Yes. Now you understand this, children? Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read lesson 2, how we know things, page number 4, 5 and 6. You have to read the lesson letter by letter and word by word. Then only you can get a clear picture of the lesson. Okay, children? I hope you all understand the lesson clearly. We will meet in the next session, children. Thank you.